Hello everyone, a super quick video on an ingoing testing of this Micron 64GB memory kit rated for 6400 mega transfers CL40, and we're currently running at 7000 CL44, 45, 45, 45, 89. That's just for quick testing. This kit really likes low voltages. I'm running at 129 on the VDD and 245 on the VDDQ, as you can clearly see here. And this is very sweet spotting a lot. And this is shown in the impact scores that are a bit more consistent than when the voltages were higher. I mean, with higher voltages I would get lower scores and they were more inconsistent. So the kit passed TM5 with 1.3 on the VDDQ and 1.27 on the 1.3 on the VDD, 1.27 on the VDDQ. But again, it was having like lower impact scores with these voltages. So let's just get into the BIOS quickly, just to show you. But I mean, just to prove that this can do it, like this memory can do that. And also, 7200 seems to be like a bit of a wall. I couldn't get past that. By raising the voltage, I might get it there by lowering the voltage, I guess. I might try that now, but it was hanging on impact. And it's so funny that this kit is rated for 135, which is insane for considering that it actually sweet spots much lower at 7000. But I guess they don't really care that much. Well, so let's try to boot at 7200 again. Yeah, let's see what happens. Also, this kit was not picked up by Typhoon Banner for some reason, but CPU Z could. I guess Typhoon Banner is not updated anymore. So I started the impact. Usually got freezing as 5 seconds in. So this is what it reads on CPU Z. I'll update you if it can actually complete. Let's get it going. So yeah, it took longer to freeze, so I guess that's the progress, but it froze. So that's it. Just a quick note. So Micron is capable of building 7000 capable RAM. I forgot to mention I did run TM5 on this with the previous voltages, and it was fine. So I think it's gonna be fine even with these voltages, with the lower voltages that I'm showing you. So this one at 7000. Yeah, I will maybe update you later if I find more about this. But currently I have to actually build another system, so I don't know when I'm gonna pick up this kit, or whether I'm even gonna pick up this kit for another z890 build, or just leave it for z790 as it's lower speed. 7000 is enough for Alder Lake even. And that's all for the video. Ciao!